Hey YouTube, I'm Nick from Nick282K, and I got a toy a little bit early for Christmas this year, a Sikh thermal IR camera. This is a fairly low resolution thermal infrared camera that plugs into the USB charge port of your Android phone or into the lightning port on your iOS device. This is a pretty interesting little tool. It's only $200. It does exactly what it says. It's a thermal infrared camera, but being such low resolution kind of limits a lot of the applications it might have. But there's a few things you can do to actually get a little more resolution out of this camera using just some software. If you're familiar with astrophotography, you're probably also familiar with image stacking. This is where you take many images and then stack them using special software in order to increase the signal to noise ratio. By taking many samples of the same static object or same subject, you can take out all of the noise by averaging it out using a lot of different samples. With the Sikh IR camera, what you can do is take a 10 or 20 second video and then do the same thing. Run it through some stacking software and you can average out a lot of that noise and get a little more detail out of it. The only limitation is you have to do this with a relatively static subject. You can't do it with a moving vehicle, but for a static thing like a PC, trying to find hotspots inside your computer case, this works just fine. Here's the raw video right from the Sikh IR camera. I brought this onto my computer and then converted it to an AVI so that it could be opened with the software Registax. If you need a full tutorial on how to use Registax, go to their website. It's free software. They have loads of documentation. But for a simple project like this, it's easy enough just to follow along, open your AVI, set the align points, align it, which makes up for any motion as you are taking your video, hit the limit button, and then finally the stack button, and it will give you a stacked final image that has a lot better signal to noise ratio than what you started with. I hope you found this video interesting. I'll have lots more infrared and slow motion coming up in the near future. If you'd like to see an interesting teardown of the Sikh thermal IR camera, check out Mike's video over at Mike's Electric Stuff. I'll put a link in the description below. Thanks for watching.